So, greetings class members. I hope that you have gone on to that you have received my message, and you know that you can go to Blackboard by logging into MyMC and then using this link, Blackboard on MyMC, to access the course page. So once you do that, you shall get a link to this course Math 165, and in case there is no column on the left showing you a panel that shows you the syllabus and links to course contents and announcements and all those, just click on this arrow. See here, that thing, that column went away, and here this will show us the course menu. So the first thing to check would be the syllabus. So let's go to the syllabus. All right. And once you look at this syllabus, you should see that here are my office hours and ways to reach me. And you can schedule conference with me at, at a mutually convenient time. And I shall be along your side throughout the course, as much as we can be. And I have been able to do that most of the times during my teaching career. Okay, so, and this is my phone number, no text messages please. And the college bookstore, unless you have another way to get this this supply at a low price, the way college store is selling. So this is the textbook with Math Excel access code that we will use. And we will use a TI-84 calculator. And once you get the materials to study for the course, or the access the textbook and the Math Excel, the homework utility that we are using, then this is the course ID. And once you go on Math Excel, it will ask you for course ID, and then read the course description and and these are the grading criteria. And there are only 2 proctored exams in this course. One is a midterm and the other one is a final, and I shall give you details on how to sign up for those a little later. Okay, so first let's just get on to our to-do list. So obtain Math Excel and access and use this course ID to access the homework link on Math Excel. And once you do that, what you shall find is a web page like this, and all you have to do here is just do the homework. You won't have any tests here. And there will be 14 assignments here. I have already posted the first 10 assignments for you, and the supplementary materials will come along as we go further. Okay, and they will come much faster sometimes, but no later than the starting date of the unit. Like the Unit 2 assignment will show, Unit 2 study materials on Blackboard will show up by January 27. So this is the place to do your homework assignment. And when you click on the assignment, you might see, it looks like a little overwhelming that there are 70 questions in here, but most of them are pretty short questions, like this one, as you see. Okay, and then in case you are having any difficulty working on a question like this, then what you can do is, say you are having a difficulty that you cannot resolve. So a good thing to do would be this. Go towards the right side of the web page. You shall see this question help link. When you click on that, okay, you can view an example of this, or you can just go to this, which is very important because I'll be looking forward to your questions. Just go ahead and use this Ask My Instructor link. Okay, and when you do that, the question will come straight to me via my email, and I shall try to answer it as fast as I can. All right, so let's just go really continuously and dynamically that you start working on these, start asking me questions, and I would try to answer your questions as fast as I can. I mean, the requirement is that I would answer your question within 48 working hours, but most of the time you will find that I have answered your questions much sooner. All I'm trying to stress is this, that it is not a self-study course. I'm going to be along your side most of the time. All right. Now back to Blackboard. Notice this, that here is this link called discussion. And if you want to ask a question about the course materials, then say anything you are reading in the course and it is not clear to you, just click on this, and so just create a thread. Then just write the title of your question here and your question in the body here. Okay, so since I'm not asking any question, I'm just canceling this here, and the materials that I'm going to post for you will be accessible by using this course content. So right now we are in the week 1, so I have posted the week 1 materials. That is, I have done this. First of all, you can see this here. Here is your task, that you have to finish the Unit 1 assignment on Math Excel by January 27. You may be able to submit answers after January 27. They will be, it will show that they were submitted after the deadline. No penalty will be imposed, but you will see that having that kind of a habit would not help us at all. All right, so just finish it by the deadline. Okay, and then if you click on this link, you shall see the PowerPoints for the key feature and some key features, and then videos on the bottom, videos that I created for you, and I will go on creating for you. So you will see this list of videos, becoming larger and larger as the course goes by. All right, so just do this. That is, use this discussion link to post your course questions. Use the course mail, this link, to write me private emails. And the best thing would be to do everything via the Blackboard email. And your questions from Math Excel will come on my general college email, but I'll try to integrate that within Blackboard for you. So notice this, first of all, very important, that you are using 2 websites. You are using Blackboard to see the learning materials from the instructor, and you shall see the midterm review sheet on this Blackboard page. And so our interaction, like my my communications with you as your instructor, okay, and the materials that I will create for you, they are all available via Blackboard, and the homework has to be done on Math Excel. Okay, so notice this, it's not that just don't do this, that only only stay on Math Excel, because then you will miss out lots of assignments. It would not take too much extra time to go between them back and forth. Okay, we are using Math Excel because it is much less expensive than the other alternative that we could integrate into Blackboard. All right, so the thing is, it will just take a few minutes of your time to make sure that you are also going on Blackboard. Okay, so I have taken, I think, a lot more of your time than necessary here. Okay, so let me just again bring this back, and yep, right. So as I said, I'll look forward to your questions, via the discussion link, or via Ask My Instructor link, or the course mail link. And avoid writing me emails outside of Blackboard, because Blackboard is if you write it in the Blackboard, it stays well within the course. I know where the question is coming from and all that. Okay, so look forward to finishing this course with you all. All right, good luck. Thanks.